Hi, this is Sadaf. I welcome you all on my Jolly Phonics YouTube channel, Jolly Learner. Today we are going to learn how to hold the pencil properly. Some children struggle holding the pencil. Some hold it like this, some hold it like this. But today we are going to learn a very easy technique. Step 1. Place the pencil on the table pointing away from you. Make sure the surface should be smooth. You can see my two fingers. So pinch pencil and pick it up. Pinch the pencil where you should hold it. On the paint where the paint meets the wood. Now you can see I'm not going to move this hand, and this hand is totally free. Now you can see my other hand is totally free. I'm going to hold the pencil from the back and turn it around. And step 3, you can write it easily. Let's do it again. Place the pencil, pick it up and move it around. Now you can write easily. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Thank you.